Good day, friends. Ever wonder how bakeries turn flour into a fortune? It's more than just baking. It's a warm mix of smart ideas that bring in the dough. And we've got fun money facts for kids, teens, and adults to share. Welcome to Profit Unveiled, where we serve up business lessons with a smile. So, come on in and take a seat. This one's a real treat. Imagine stepping into a cozy bakery, the smell of fresh bread wrapping around you like a hug. $5 a loaf gets you hooked right away. That's their first step, keeping staples affordable so folks stop by every day. But here's the sweet secret that makes it work. Pastries light up the counter with tempting flavors, $7 each, and baked for under a dollar. That fresh from the oven magic keeps you coming back, boosting their profits without a hitch. Fresh pastries catch your eye, $7 each, and oh so tempting. That daily pull brings you back and boosts their cash with ease. Now, let's explore how they're reaching further in today's world. Delivery adds $5 to bring that warmth straight to your door. Pretty clever, isn't it? By using apps, they're serving busy families and cutting waste, baking only what's needed to keep costs low and profits high. And then there's niche baking. $8 gluten-free buns catch the health crowd. It's all about finding your people. Those special treats widen their reach and bring in more money without extra ovens. They set up eye-catching displays for free, beautiful breads and cakes glowing in the window. Why go to that effort? It pulls in passers-by, turning curious looks into sales without spending a dime. It's a simple move that works like magic. Pop-ups offer $10 special rolls to test fresh ideas, keeping things exciting so folks talk about it and spread the word. And for those big wins, they offer $50 party trays, tying their ovens to local celebrations to lift profits in a delicious way. Delivery brings goodies home, $5 extra. Apps help bakers reach more folks and grow their cash with ease. Local sourcing, $5 artisan loaves, keeps them tied to the town, building trust that lasts and brings folks back. Bakeries don't just bake. They craft profits we all enjoy. Want your own? Start with staples, reach out smart, and get creative. Your treats could rise. Next time you grab a bun, you'll see their smarts and maybe bake your own success. Love these money facts? Subscribe. We're serving lessons weekly,